How's it going, everyone? Goose here, and I wanted to talk about an intro into Atlas. So when you first get into Atlas, it's going to have you go through a little tutorial mode, just like kind of when you start the main game. But once you actually get into Atlas, assuming you are on an Atlas team, obviously you'd have to be, it's going to tell you to set your castle home to start off. So assuming this is your castle, it's not, but assuming it is, you would tap on the castle, and it's going to tell you to set it to home. This is where you're going to store your Primarchs. Your Primarchs are basically the carriers of your troops. So just think of it like that. To kind of make this as simple as possible, if you're, I'm going to say, below level 250, your primary focus should just be building your troops and gathering your crafting shards. The way to do those, there's a lot of little beasts here, right here, these little guys. And here's a gold mine right here in the middle. Tap the gold mine, it's going to tell you to attack. The reason it's not having me attack is because, one, my Primarch isn't here, and that's kind of the primary reason there. If you look at the beasts, let's look at this level 7 beast, it's going to tell you down at the bottom there that this beast's hunting power is 2800. Now, if you have a Primarch and you have your Primarch selected, you're at the castle, and you're still getting this where you cannot attack the beast, all you got to do is load a couple of troops onto your beast. It's a very simple process. Lower right, let's go ahead and tap one of your Primarchs. I tap the button on the left. It's going to ask you to go ahead and place some troops into your Primarch. Once you do that, your hunting power of your Primarch will go up, and you will be able to attack that beast as long as you're matching the hunting power. I hope that wasn't overly confusing. Let me scroll out of here. Back to somewhere else where nobody can see my castles. Is this a safe zone? No, it is not a safe zone. I don't know. I'm just trying to find a safe zone here. Sure, hopefully, maybe. Nope. It's so hard to find a safe zone. Here we go. These are safe zones. So anyways, that's pretty much that. Loading troops onto your Primarch is as easy as tapping on your Primarch, and when that little wheel comes up, you just want to tap on the left button, go ahead and load troops, you'll be able to hit the beasts. There are a couple of events in Atlas. I believe there's about 2 per week, and it rotates. It goes troop training, Primarch training, troop training, and then gear crafting. So I can definitely cover more of those events in detail probably in another video, or if somebody has any questions about it. This is it can be overwhelming to be in Atlas right off the bat, but as long as you are just keeping everything simple-minded, okay, build troops and just participate in the events, that's it. If you're over level 250, you're probably going to be partaking in Atlas raids or Glory raids, and Glory is the same thing as XP for your Primarchs there. But if you're doing that, then you're obviously more familiar with Atlas if you're kind of joining in Atlas raids. So just to summarize, set your castle to home, put your Primarch there. So you'd select a Primarch. Everyone starts with this little fighter guy right here. Once you finish him, I mean, if you just want a good middle ground Primarch, go for the Destroyer. He's really good. And yeah, just go ahead and start hitting these gold mines right here, or the beasts. Collect your gold, build your troops. Way to build troops, go over to troops. Just tap it. As long as you have, I believe it's, what, 800,000 gold, then you'll craft 800 troops. If you have Atlas Elite, you're going to craft 1,600 troops for what? Yeah, what is it, like 1.6 million gold or something like that? Okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later.